Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures onto Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Insert tab and then select Pictures. You can select from this device, stock images, or online pictures. Make your selection there, and then you just would locate your pictures on the list. And then once you've located a picture you actually want to include onto your presentation here, you're just going to go ahead and select it and then select Insert. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.